E-Reading Shala. I run E-Reading Shala and I host a campaign under it. This campaign motivates children to start reading books, as books are your best friend and they transport you to amazing worlds. This campaign has reached both big towns and small towns all over India and even beyond. This campaign is known as Read Children Read. I started this with the aim of motivating children from all over India to start reading books, because I've seen that many don't read books and don't know the amazing capabilities that book can do. So I started this campaign, and every now and then I host a session in which children come and listen to stories. I myself tell the children many stories, and they also tell me and the other children stories. They read books and we read books together and we have so much fun. This is amazing, and I really like that so many children come together to enjoy reading and storytelling. So now let's see what book we are going to read today. Delhi. Okay, so the book's name is Buddu Delhi. And this is Delhi. He is a dog. Okay, this story is about dogs. 1 second. Okay, can all of you see me? Can all of you see me? Hello.
Yeah.
You all?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so let's get started. Oh, 1 second, my battery is low.
I can also see.
Okay, so this is the first page. Yes, this is the first page. Can all of you see it? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
There's a picture of the duck too, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
एक सुहाना दिन मम्मी बतख सैर के लिए निकली। उसके पीछे छोटे बच्चे डगमग करते हुए उसके पीछे चल दिए, सिवाय दिल्ली बतख के। वो मकड़ी के जाले को चुगने के लिए रुक गई। So in this page they tell us, they're saying that the mother duck has gone out for a walk and her 5 children are coming with her. Her 5 children's names are Chilli, Millie, Billy, Lily and Buddu Dilly. And then now all of them are walking behind the mom except Dilly.
So they are Chilli, Millie, Billy, Lily, and Guddu Dilly, right?
Buddu.
Oh, Buddu Dilly, right?
Yes. जान बचाकर भागो, मैंने अभी एक बाघ देखा। दिल्ली बतख वापस भागते हुई चिल्लाई, अरे दिल्ली, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मम्मी बतख ने कहा। So he sees this animal and he runs back saying, oh, I saw a lion, because bagh means lion. Okay, so let's see. All of you please mute. All of you, can you mute?
अभी तक तो तुम्हें कोई दिखानी नहीं थी.
All of you, please mute. Okay, thank you. वो बाघ नहीं है, वो तो एक बिल्ली है, मम्मी बतख ने कहा। बिल्ली, यह तो एक छोटी बिल्ली। So his mom is saying, that is not a lion, that's just a cat. बच्चे डगमग डगमग करते हुए मम्मी बतख के पीछे चल दिए। सिवाय बिल्ली बतख के वो एक लकड़ी पर चढ़ने के लिए रुक गई। जान बचाकर भागो, मैंने अभी एक हाथी देखा। दिल्ली बतख भागते हुए चिल्लाई। अरे दिल्ली, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मम्मी बतख ने पूछा। So here they started walking again, but Dilly Duck, he wanted to stay behind because he wanted to climb this stick. So he's climbing on the stick when he sees this animal and he screams, I saw an elephant, run for your life. Let's see what happens next. Please stop drawing. Yeah. वो हाथी नहीं है, वो तो एक गाय है, मम्मी बतख ने कहा। So now his mom is saying, that's not an elephant, that's a cow. Dilly is so not smart. No, he's so buddhu. One second.
Buddhu means actually foolish or something.
Yeah, it means foolish.
Okay. Like Bewakoof.
Okay, so there's a page missing. I'll show you that page from the book, okay? Yes, this is the page. Can all of you see it? Can all of you see this page? Show me the thumbs up if you
No, can you make it a little more clear or
okay. So I'll read it out for you, okay? But
yeah, can you just stop your screen share so you can make your video larger so you can see it?
No. You can see my video and besides you have to hear me, okay? बच्चे डगमग डगमग करते हुए मम्मी बतख के पीछे चल दिए, सिवाय दिल्ली बतख के। वो एक तितली से मिलने के लिए रुक गई। जान बचाकर भागो, मैंने अभी एक मगरमच्छ देखा। दिल्ली बतख वापस भागते हुए चिल्लाई। अरे दिल्ली, ये कैसे हो सकता है? मम्मी बतख ने पूछा। ससी, he saw this animal. Can you see this animal? Yes, he saw this animal and he's saying, oh my gosh, I saw crocodile. He saw crocodile. Let's see what it really is. Because Buddhu Dilly will never see the real thing. Let's see what it really is. वो मगरमच्छ नहीं है, वो तो एक छिपकली है, मम्मी बतख ने कहा। So he said, it's not a crocodile, it's a lizard. Now they're walking again. बच्चे डगमग डगमग करते हुए चले, मम्मी बतख के पीछे चल दिए। सिवाय दिल्ली बतख के वो कुछ पत्तियों को हिलाने के लिए रुक गई। जान बचाकर भागो, मैंने अभी एक अजगर देखा। दिल्ली बतख वापस भागते हुए चिल्लाई। अरे दिल्ली, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मम्मी बतख ने पूछा। So now he says he saw a snake. Oh my gosh, let's see what it really is, okay? Let's see. वो अजगर नहीं है, वो तो एक केचुआ है। मम्मी बतख ने कहा। She's smiling because she's saying to Dilli Buttock, it's not a snake, it's just an earthworm. Oh my gosh, why is he so bundu? Dilli Buttock. बच्चे डगमग डगमग करते हुए मम्मी बतख के पीछे चल दिए, सिवाय दिल्ली बतख के। वो मिट्टी में खेलने के लिए रुक गई। जान बचाकर भागो! मैंने अभी एक हिप्पोपोटामस देखा। दिल्ली बतख वापस भागते हुए चिल्लाई। अरे दिल्ली, ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है? मम्मी बतख ने पूछा। So now I want all of you to answer. What do you think this animal really is?
That is a pig, I think.
Yes, that's a pig. Okay, let's see if it is a pig or what. वो हिप्पोपोटामस नहीं है, वो तो एक सूअर है। मम्मी बतख ने कहा। So his mom is saying it's not a hippopotamus. It is a. Can any of you tell me what this word means? Sewer?
Pig.
It means pig. Sewer is pig. Okay. So now they are starting to walk again. बच्चे डगमग करते हुए मम्मी बतख के पीछे चल दिए, सिवाय दिल्ली डक के। Now he is still behind. Now let's see what he's doing. वो कुछ झाड़ियों के नीचे जाने के लिए रुक गई। उसने एक नाक और दो चमकती आंखें देखी। फिर उसने एक घनी पूंछ देखी। जान बचाकर भागो! नहीं, रुको, 1 second. Okay, let's read this part and see it. हेलो छोटी बतख, बाहर निकलते हुए लोमड़ी ने कहा। So she stopped to look under the bushes. Okay, Dilly Duck stopped to look under the bushes, and he saw a nose, and she saw a nose and 2 bright eyes, and then he saw a bushy tail, and then there came a fox, a hungry fox that said, "Hello, duck." Okay, जान बचाकर भागो! मैंने अभी एक बाघ देखा, दिल्ली बतख चिल्लाई। और एक मगरमच्छ, एक अजगर और एक हिप्पोपोटामस। रुक कर बात करने के लिए समय नहीं है, मुझे दूसरों को भी सावधान करना है। So now he is saying, oh my god, she is saying, I saw she's saying, run away, I saw a lion, I saw a crocodile, and then I saw a crocodile, and then I saw a snake and a hippopotamus. He is saying all this because do you think this is a lion or a hippopotamus or a snake? What do you think? Is this a snake? Hello? Hello?
It's a fox.
Yes, it's a
Fox.
Is it really a fox?
Yeah, that last time what he told.
Okay, दिल्ली बतख तेजी से भागी और पास के तालाब में डूब गई। अरे दिल्ली, मम्मी बतख चिल्लाई। इस बार तुमने क्या देखा? मैंने एक लोमड़ी देखी, दिल्ली बतख चिल्लाई। जान बचाने के लिए तैरो। और उन सब ने यही किया। This means that now this was the only time Dilli Buttock was right. This is the only time she was right. She ran and she went into the water, and her mom said, "What? What did you see now?" And she said, "I saw a fox." And then they all ran away. Okay, so that is the end of the story. So now I will ask you questions. Can you tell me two of the 5 children's names? Any two?
Say
Yeah. Okay.
Millie, Billy, and
Okay,
Good
very
Bill.
nice, two.
Can I
Okay.
say?
Yes, you can say. Who is that?
Aditya.
Okay, Aditya, you can say.
Okay. This इसलिए बतख दुनिया से भरा और पास के लालब में लुढ़क गई
Aditya,
और
Aditya, I'm asking you the names of 2 of the ducks. Okay?
दिल्ली
Yes.
मिली
I will help you. Okay? Can you read this? Who is this?
Can I say?
No, Aditya, can you say this? What is this? With the thing I have my cursor on?
Chilli.
Yes, Aditya, very good. It's chilli. Okay. So now I want you to
Can I
ask.
say the next one?
No, okay. No, Hannah, you already said one question. Okay, Sasha. Sasha? Okay. Can you answer? Can you tell what this animal really is?
What?
Sasha, what is this animal really? Which animal is this really? It's not a tiger, that we can understand, but what animal is it? It's not Dilly. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, it's a cat. And what is a cat in Hindi? How do you say cat in Hindi, Sasha? Okay, it will be you to say cat in Hindi. You say Billy. Okay, it is a Billy. Okay, now tell me. Sia. Sia. Sia, unmute yourself. Yeah. Can you tell me? Can you tell me what Dilly saw in the end?
A fox.
Yes, very good. A fox. And how do you say fox in Hindi? It's called a lomri. Okay.
Lomri.
Yes, lomri.
Lomri.
Yeah. And this is a lomri. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now I would like to ask. Okay. Harjas. Harjas.
Yes.
Can you give me a list of everything he thought he saw? Everything that he saw except the fox.
Hippopotamus.
Okay.
What?
Hippopotamus and?
Lizard.
Yeah, but what did he think that the lizard was?
Crocodile.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Thank you. Okay. This will be the last question to Anukrita. Anukrita. Anukrita? Are you there? Okay. Please tell me what animal is this? What animal is?
I will not read.
Oh, okay. You don't want to tell? Okay, it's fine. So can any of you tell me what is this animal? Okay, Aditya, you can tell.
Pig.
Very good. And how do you say pig in Hindi?
Sewer.
Yes, very good. Sewer. It was a really nice. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for answering the questions. It looks like all of you know Hindi really well, don't you? You're learning now. You're learning Hindi.
Thank you for telling the stories.
Welcome. So thank you all for joining this session. I really enjoyed this book. Did all of you also enjoy this book?
Yes.
Okay. So this is Buddu Dilly, and I recommend you to read it on your own if you can, which would be really helpful for learning Hindi. Okay.